morning, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our brand new mini kit. It's called Gorgeous Girl. It is a beautiful fun kit. We have got this beautiful Gorgeous Girl stamp set included in the kit. Let me take you through what's in the kit. Of course, you have the beautiful stamp with the Gorgeous Girl on there. You have got the mini laser cut with lots of fabulous sayings and the beautiful little pattern papers that go with this collection. These are great for card making. They're the perfect size. Beautiful little images. You have got the cut apart sheets. This one works with our number 6 die to cut out the circles and our number 5 die to cut out the sayings. And of course you've got the magazine, which is full of beautiful ideas on how to use this stamp. There are 2 add-ons that go with this collection if you wanted to add them on. It is the fussy cutting die for the stamp and this beautiful stencil which is called Diamond Fade. Let me show you some of the gorgeous cards the girls have done with the Gorgeous Girl stamp. So lots of different ways to colour them. Watercolours, pencils, Copic markers. That's the beautiful Diamond Fade stencil on these 2. Look at that monochromatic one. And of course you don't have to use the Gorgeous Girl, you can just use the beautiful floral component to make absolutely stunning cards as well. So the girls have done an outstanding job with this new collection. It's called Gorgeous Girl. Next month we will be releasing our first Christmas collection for Stampin' Colour, and you are going to love that one. It is just adorable. In the meantime, don't forget these 2 new dies we've released, which is our stitched circles, our scallop circles to match, and our brand new slimline die, which is our lacy borders. Thanks guys for watching. You can buy this kit as of today. Thank you again for always supporting us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.